Hey everybody, Dale Davidson here at the Davidson Law Offices here in Southwest Georgia, talking today about nursing home and exactly how does a nursing home affect family farmers. Now, if you like what we're saying here today, please like and subscribe because we'll have some more videos coming out here throughout the months to give you some good education. If you have a question, you can email me at dearnursinghomeguy@gmail.com, dearnursinghomeguy@gmail.com. And as always, you can just leave a comment below and we will respond. So what do you think the greatest threat to farmers today is? Do you think it's environmental concerns? Do you think it's the taxes? I personally think that it is the long-term care issue, okay? And let me explain. So Medicaid has rules, okay? They have eligibility rules. And recall, Medicare is different from Medicaid. Medicare is for insurance. For instance, you have a heart attack, you have a broken hip, okay? Medicare pays for that injury. Medicaid is long-term care. Long-term care like dementia, Alzheimer's, Parkinsons, things of that nature that require long-term care versus a treatable condition like a heart attack or a broken hip. So we're talking about farmers and what happens if they need long-term care. Let me tell you a story. I've got a family farmer who came to see me a couple of weeks ago. He and his family, and just a great family, and they were upset because their mom had to go into a nursing home. She has dementia, and dementia is a really terrible, terrible disease. Mom and Dad had worked hard all their lives for this farm, and they scrimped and saved. They didn't take vacations, and they provided for us. And dadgummit, the nursing home is going to take this because Mom doesn't qualify. Well, we looked at the qualifications part, and of course Mom's income was below the income limit, so she was fine there. But they had about $1.5 million worth of farmland, and the nursing home says, well, sorry, Mom does not qualify, so therefore you're going to have to pay. Before they got to me, they had already paid the nursing home $10,000, stroked a check for $10,000 to pay for Mom's care. And so when they got to me, and of course they're distraught, and I said, look, this is what we do. We're going to take care of your family. We're going to hold your hand through this whole process. But this is a workable solution. I know what the rule is. The rule says that your house is exempt, and they have a house that's separate from the farmland. So that's okay. That's exempt. But the rest of this farmland appears on its face not to be exempt either. And that's what the nursing home is saying, is that, look, you're going to have to sell some of this farmland. Well, this farmland had been, accumulated by their mom and dad over their, 60, 70, 80 year life, and they really wanted to keep it. It was very sentimental to them. So what we did is we dug through the Medicaid rules and regulations and came upon an exception to help them. So there are rules and there are exceptions to the rules. So we were able to use an exception to the rule to get Mom qualified for Medicaid, long-term care. So Dad didn't have to pay that $10,000 this month for Mom's care because Medicaid picked it up. They didn't have to sell any of that land in order to raise money to help pay for Mom's care because Medicaid picked that up. And what's going to happen when Mom and Dad pass, we're going to be able to pass all of that farmland down to the kids without any kind of Medicaid liens. That was a great story from my clients. Again, just long-term farmers here in Southwest Georgia, heart-stricken because they didn't know where to turn. They didn't know where to go. The nursing home was telling them one thing, and then they found us. And I certainly am glad that they did, because that was a great success story for us, and glad we were able to help them. But again, that's all we do. We help people protect their independence, their safety, and security. We help them protect their assets from a nursing home. We know the rules, we follow the rules, but we also know the exceptions to the rules, because those exceptions to the rules are where we can help our families, and we help them to the best of our ability. If you have any questions regarding this video or anything else that we do, feel free to send me an email at dearnursinghomeguy@gmail.com, dearnursinghomeguy@gmail.com. Leave us a comment below, like and subscribe. We'll have some more videos coming out here shortly, and just here to help. That's all we do is we help people. Again, we're here to help protect you and your family against the exorbitant cost of the nursing home. So until next time, have a blessed day.
No more whiskey, I'll have a Coke. Catching bass on an old fishing boat. One more story from Grandpa Joe. Let's get high.